collaboration. The guys and Nancy Buka in the US no some the Ghana for 7,000 viva. Ghana bank has on play.
Yeah.
At least Abanzu will take some of the credit.
Now I only and the Ashidi, I'm saying point book of you.
Are they?
Someone to me find your city.
There is a me point me call Akochalai.
Okay.
Say Usian Shishi Mukakra.
Fantastic.
Salah,
They were setting the Asamo.
There no necessity Uti. Not so blue and I be near no. Obi,
Chama,
Boko there.
Yamado Charlie Fi.
And there's Salah and
Absolutely.
I'm more American and a Memorial Day.
Okay.
It's a holiday. So,
some Asari, no, Masari of Virginia.
Asante so of Virginia police. Father, Ebo. And also, I was Somerset. On a Bra Isaac. But America there. And had you one time. Na me kana man ka me buja for iso na go fa so ba me amenya ba tina mo oni makontarik ene nkwa ni nyina na kwesi na cha ni junior omu nyina na obi a ofi omu so 80 show no da a obi a na ye chia ono payi na dunum ne na cha no nyina
choma na akwa Eid Mubarak here emfa kwenya no coach Alhaji Abdul Razak
yes the golden boy yes. 1978 African footballer of the year yes Abdul Razak Yankasa chief technician Samson Ado yes
also no wish him a very happy Eid and Said Yakubu editor
news editor yes
Love and Isha Alhaji Abusu Tonkas was Santas runabout and Sule Su Alaba na Sule de bad namone nyoma dia Sule brutal
so the Okan Alaba the namazam
Sule
Gaddafi
yeah and guys more Mayanka or Monfa Jumedi
Mayanka for guys
yeah and of course all Muslims and that's why Minyaba very close to my heart Abigail Usu Asantiwa and the birthday and Nina Munia dia ka Eid ne ho na say happy birthday dear and okay she's with A1 Hospital Kokobin Enyinam Hona Oyenejmanti chairman unfortunately I'm say yenya muntade bi anhye na moto ne sen ja ni apeka kra ko tobi na ja wow white black and brown
white
now we need shakes no
Obama kazo bring BBC na
okay and why almost suit too
wow Eid Mubarak we are wishing every Muslim a happy and blessed Eid. We are grateful to Almighty God for giving us another year full of mercies and forgiveness. We say Alhamdulillah. We are grateful to Almighty God for giving us another year full of mercies and forgiveness. We say Alhamdulillah. Inasinko tumfo nyami de wa mafia kwa beto yen bonifa chenyi moburo hununku nyami yeda wasi inasinko tumfo nyami de wa mafia kwa beto yen bonifa chenyi moburo hununku nyami yeda wasi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, let us lead a new life as we pass through the month of mercy, so Allah may forgive us. My dear brothers and sisters.
Okay.
Vice President, Second Lady, Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, Justice of the Supreme Court, Director General of the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, the eminent National Chief Imam, Zongo Chief Ulama Jama. I greet you in the name of Islam. Salam alaikum. We give thanks and praise to the Almighty for guiding us through the month of Ramadan. I send hearty congratulations to the Muslim Ummah in Ghana and around the world for a successful completion of the fast of Ramadan, even under the very difficult and trying circumstances occasioned by the coronavirus pandemic, which has inter alia curtailed the conventional celebration of the Eid at Blackstar Square. However, I commend the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation for stepping up to the plate and making it possible through virtual means to celebrate this year's Eid, just as it did in facilitating the virtual celebration of this year's May Day. These are the proper uses of a public broadcasting network. This year's Ramadan fast will remain unique in Islamic history as one that was observed without the usual activities and buzz that come with the Ramadan fast. Muslims have had to fast without the traditional iftar, tafsir, tarawih, and tahajjud prayers. I know that for many of you, this has been a very difficult sacrifice to make, since these activities in the consciousness of all Muslims cloak the month of Ramadan in sanctity and holiness. And so, I salute you for these sacrifices that you have made for our collective good. More importantly, you have made these sacrifices specifically to save human lives. Indeed, the Quran states that, and I quote, "If anyone saved a life, it would be as if he saved the whole of humanity," unquote. Your adherence to the safety protocols the government put in place to fight the virus has therefore saved many lives, for which we are all grateful.
Wait, Oman so message. De Emma, Ivado de Ma, Muslimi phone na no. Na yabokaka enso edama Christian omevan you man in sheswe na hin ya fa amanone kaka ene even Coach Freddy was very special interest in the last sports economics. Even is a subject was you dealing with that matter. Absolutely. And number say rimpa but it Eid no any nti nyame adoma e be rimpa within the week. There is how we can help our clubs because genuinely omunyamwa and Coach Freddy, Eka Assembly Chairman, or sick Kotoko Hearts as good, Omunina, Omuntimi Yashi, Omun Kosifi, if they don't form, if they don't get youth clubs, then that is the new way, the new order in football. Real Madrid will be Barcelona, Real Madrid will under 12, under 14, under 18, yeah. Barcelona with the same thing. Manchester City with this match. There's not even England crowd. They won't even a club or only be even championship clubs. No, Champions League One clubs crowd all those things. Yeah. But Hano Yenyebi.
There's another book. I think it's Martin Keynes, Red Bull Ghana, Global Value Chains and the Grabbing of Land and Resources, a case study of embedments of European football academies in West Africa. Academies ni bebre so ayeti wo mem ho mugu. Into research na say there's a lot of I think UEFA 4-year investigations into Man City and illegalities be because I think so, at the appropriate time as well, a bit reminiscent how an academy can survive in Ghana, because the probabilities academy be after 5 years no so and you might be because and so share them here.
Nice one, Christian.
Oh, I'm an under secretary. German Bundesliga.
And I'm also a man to say, oh, I did buy many for him. I'm saying, I say, I'm about 5'2". And I'm saying, today. I say, I watch under 6.5. I'm saying,
Chamu, Bundesliga highest scoring player for a season, Gerd Müller, 71-72. And was 40 goals in German Bundesliga. Since then, there is no player in a single season, German Bundesliga, Washer Bundesliga goals are 40 goals. This season, Abraham Lewandowski is trying very much hard to beat me, call it that record, and probably even beat it. So far in the German Bundesliga, 27 matches, 27 goals. 7 matches left. The entire this will be equally that record. They say German Bundesliga about 34 matches.
Yeah.
What it means, they say after 27 matches, now cut 7 matches. 7 matches, no 27 goals. I cut 13 goals to equal that record set by Gerd Müller in 71-72. But I think that this season, the form of the year is so amazing. For a player to play, the ratio near one goal per game. 27 goals in 27 matches. Now the record since our German Bundesliga in 2014-2015, which is that year the penalty share 25 goals. After that year, every other year be a Disubiano or 40 or more goals in all competitions. I remember say 42, 43, 41 and 40 goals last season. And so far this is the MO League matches in Yewi Ukrano or 42 goals and still counting. He has been so amazing. Bayern Munich, also the last 7 games, the last 7 seasons Germany Nano. Bayern Munich the German Bundesliga no. This year, yes, starting me kai pass up near Yala Kase. More likely say one had Dortmund beat me challenge for the title this season. You started season in Koyi, so they changed managers. Niko Kovac Koye, Emma Hansi Flick, ebe take over. Hansi Flick take over no. Bayern Munich had an amazing turnover. Chamo in 18 Bundesliga matches so far after so taking over no. Bayern Munich has 57 goals in those 18 Bundesliga matches. Amazing turn of event. Tamo all taking over no. Now Bayern Munich at also 7th after 14 matches. They were 7th. By now, you can't German Bundesliga after so take you over any form of the man Bayern Munich now. And they Bayern Munich from A7 position, number 1 on the league table. Almost lead Dortmund by 4 points. So that 10 of event now, what you Bayern Munich no. In fact, in 13 matches no, German Bundesliga no, but they are 8 we need 12. I draw just 1. Amazing 10 of event and they are 81. Your friend Bayern Munich. I remember very well. Said Bayern Munich in the first round of matches, Frankfurt Eshomo 5-1. Frankfurt and the Bayern Munich Eshomo 5-2. Enray in the first round, Bayern Munich Equawino. Entrant Frankfurt Bayern Munich Eshen 5-1. And they manager no the same team na Ocean 5-1 in Ocean 5-2. But Frankfurt to form this season before they call lockdown Frankfurt 2 away games on Shamu. I remember very well say they lost by 4-0 on the road Edinburgh against Dortmund and Bayer Leverkusen. So Bayern Munich Eshomo 5-2 no and then one because I was thinking say revenge will be on the man of Bayern Munich. Was the 5-1 and the form was dropping there. Now watch there. Now watch 5. But I think said this season there a branch of Lewandowski form 27 matches, 27 goals in German Bundesliga. O camp a branch of Lewandowski no. Now can a branch of Timo Werner. Chamo, I remember very well say back in November. And the team Air Leipzig share Mainz 8-0. Now Leipzig for highest scores in German Bundesliga history. And which Mainz share 8-0. In that game, Abrante friend Timo Werner about 3 goals and make 3 assists. Enra another 3 goals and Abrantia your friend Timo Werner and so share Oma Leipzig and so winning games against Timo Nombo or against Air Osburg. But Chamo this season the entire man for near Abrante friend Timo Werner Hochema and also share 30 goals in all competitions so far and about Timo Werner Leipzig. Amazing start, amazing season, and as our 2 places in the German Bundesliga. I think players me know and can cancel season and come Supano, Lewandowski and Timo Werner because so far in the season, incredible season and so amazing. Say from more their respective club no league then Tibian Councillor or more twaso or more form no and so air twaso. Minim dia two Shaka for the last 9 games at Shaka Bono omu winibi 9. In fact, in those 9 games, Shaka actually only 2 goals in those 9 games. Gara Hone said, 9 games no moon losing in an winning. Chamo, I'm draw 5, Elusu 5. And in those matches, no, almost only 2 goals. na yɛka sɛ last week Dortmund ɛhyɛ ɔmo ɛna this week nso ɔmo asɛ lose ɔmo game biom team na nka ɔmo pray for championship slot no the last 9 game ɔmo lose bi no na they are dropping away from Champions League slot no one hwɛ na bia even Europa League ra no ɔmo ntimi enya Europa League slot, having not won even a game in the last 9 games chemwa Shaka form enye quite encouraging at all. And coach say if he must lose the job because of the form na Shaka na honestly speaking I will be surprised a bit.
Okay, Ayala Bokode. Rika Nikoye. Bibia the ding. Nice one. Yebeba feel straight away because and then the time you do na no MIT for Yanum Muslimi for more and a special day the Emma. But a special happy birthday to Madam Victoria Cecilia Menu. Madam Victoria Cecilia Menu, aka Madam Vic. And your birthday Oba Richmond Amponsa Jumo. So come on to say you wish you happy birthday ne 72 years today. We pray for good health, continuous blessings of God should come to you. We free or a Sokoba Assembly Junction. Okay, and Madam Vic and so Prof Chumes is birthday, National Source Authority, Director General. Yes, and Prof is birthday. A happy birthday. Sansona David Ba also send a bar and 5 years. Ivadenra Enonyai Nabi Amwa Elijah Senior. Ivad Omen Tafo and yet because on the bar and ma Omen Tafo Nabi Amwa Elijah Junior and Senior. David Ba is a blessed and tough. Okay, also so birthday and running. I won't tell you she almost happy birthday. There's a number of birthday messages coming up, but and then
Hollard Insurance, Beffy,
now on the birthday. Reese ho. Hey, it's easy. Okay, okay. Beffy, happy birthday.
Wonderful birthday to Beffy. Young wish your Muslim friends, Eid Mubarak, Tofik, Chipsa Pfizer, Yusuf Alasa, Chipsa, Coach Ibrahim Tanko, Yankase Obama, Mediama, Sani of Kimfesa, Awad Dimonza of Kimfesa. Any Muslims are more emphasis in Yagona, or more 80 showing in a Biasi Biano. Happy Eid Mubarak to them. Meaning say it's a special Ramadan Muko amidst this COVID-19. The focus of the fasting and prayers, and they say in Yankopon say unsimbe hewiase. Until after the fasting and prayers, Yankopo betie almost so friend na de obi a de kan so so a na akoma so ade a obon pa ese Yankopon nyama no Yankopon betimi ayama no unze o cha the classica.
Yeah.
China is a big game in the Bundesliga. And I think the standard has already been set. 2 games in the Bundesliga, 2 wins for Bayern, 2 wins for Dortmund. The only good news for Dortmund is that Amon conceded goal in the last 2 games no Mabono. Even without Asawesone, Emil Chan as the main central midfielders. And I think that Thomas Delaney, Mahmoud, Jumani Yepa, Ewo, Infinfi Hamomo. And it's a show Bundesliga games in now share Lucien Favre. They also go against Wolverhampton for now. You get some, he said, to play a game and Ashraf Hakimi and Rafael Guerrero and show goals in the from wing backs. It tells you how we say football, you're born in the lateral spaces, and I think Bayern also they were scared at some point, but they came to redeem themselves. They are setting up a very, very good game watching between Bayern and Dortmund.
I mean Tuesday evening football. Champions League, we have to enjoy it.
The good news La Liga so best.
La Liga, so yes.
After Pedro Sanchez were kind and Tevez, they about say either 11th or 12th. The first game is Sevilla against Real Betis, and they say Sky Sports so they are better just say you can start here and roll on phase 2 of more protocols. Until likely say you best start here football. But they welcoming football. It seems to be different
eba ye de na
yeah then there's some yeah born no be near boy there.
What is the difference?
Oh, the difference is that we are serious. Yeah, we are not.
And then
we are more organized. We are not. Meetings gonna be
we should rather push for them to organize themselves, and I say young killing off say it's a no-go area.
We should push them to organize themselves very well. And I part of this world, you know. You need the luxury. Say they will do tests before every game in this
then the question I think we should be interested in is what went into the proposal. Say you left banner league, arrangement necessary until we get to know.
Who say okay about some of these leagues, you know? I have comprehensive plan how to get football back. It is all your government not better when you know now. I mean, look at what Germany for you. Say state no episode. What is the assurance? Spread it.
Yeah.
Also, we are going to keep all the teams in a hotel. They will play the games. No one will have any, interaction whatsoever with the outside world. We will test them before the games. We will do this. When you hear those things, you go like, okay, fine. One of the ways for healing, Boris Johnson kind. Hano. Where do you come them? The teams are struggling. They don't even have money to pay the players. So we not talk of. So don't go shebe. Be na player no yet we no bobo we are no ko. Oko ni kroma. No go tena go di the faba any bibi. Enti no.
But say then the best way is to ask what went into the proposal, because me as well say if you go share by COVID-19 committee no. Omo catch so ye pese ye ka muyi ye twen se mo be left ban no mo left ya ye pese born ye to aso no me also said omo anka ne trasa there you should ask them, okay, somebody mo to aso mo plan and saying on paper any practically mo ye sure some metimi are you going to follow this, metima follow way, give us our plan, and we should be interested in getting
some nice UB powers. If you know, in this COVID-19 as I'm no more as all money clubs. If you could not even almost me and say PPE club your mom will be 20, 30. Share to your players. No more protection because the substance of the product we are selling. What I say, and as some the main architects of the product they are selling. Even if I now I'm going to Zoom meet on legacy that when clubs are asking for money. But what goes into it beyond the because clubs now more be losing my day revenue. And you're peculiar to Bayern Munich, and you're peculiar to Schalke because Union Berlin boss ever match of stadium also full stadium. What else? If you have sponsorships, no one disparities kakabu. Bayern Hano, so you behind closed doors. A huge on Kotoko, a Diana, any hearts of folk. Because those teams, they almost match their revenues was so. But look at say, Tachima 11 is behind closed doors. And now I say Lagos City. Now Lagos City obo bi ama. Look about Gosiata, any Yumuba Stadium, Everton. And the effect on clubs no be different kakra. Who the compare man on the DNA because say effect na cut across no. It's the engagement so many clubs no cry no. I don't think say good enough. They are not engaging the clubs well.
The bottom line is that we should interrogate the FA more on why the proposal say better to us.
But you see, in the advanced world, you don't interrogate the FA. They bring the FA that tells the people.
Exactly.
And that's what I'm saying.
So
the proposal has been sent.
So the
you don't know what it entails in the
but you know what happened in England.
You know what happened in England.
The communication department.
We got to know about what happened in Spain and Omu proposal. When you read BBC, you read Sky. BBC Sky. They are their media.
What's the FSU?
What I said? I'm saying, FNO no money proposal and AFC. But we are too apprehensive to say it's a no-go area. And I'm saying, why are we happy?
say football is coming back to Spain, Italy, and all that, but we are not happy about say football. The apprehension is legitimate. The questions you are asking, legitimate.
Good.
Say you do some protocols, and you can only get these answers when we ask the FA. Say, these are the questions people are asking. Do you have answers to them? Are you going to play under safe environment? When you don't do that,
Henry Asante Chuma on Saturday told the whole world that the football share stimulus package in him. When he knew that was not true. Yes, football for Benya BBF 600 million cedis stimulus government package. But he did not
sponsor.
So he said he's on record to have said football Benya ni chefa wadi him, but he said now sports in total credit stimulus package in him. Look, the truth be told, these are people, and my coach Ignatius Sky, an organization is as good as its employees. There's clear evidence that 6 or so months into their tenure, they are so confused. But back to COVID-19 issues, we have to deal with the general subject of medication. Because the Germans, the Spaniards, the English, the Italians are better off in terms of medication. It's yet 2,000 tests a week. No, we can't. From that even angle of medication beyond even government's own capacity, then we have to move on. But any interrogation, medical interrogation, mandatory testing, mandatory quarantine of players. How can we go about all of these protocols? Protocol. I don't know how this will be done. Me who style or mobile idea now, mobile to test it. Maybe FIFA for 500,000.
The cost is on the FAU, on the league. Hano.
Clubs na betia.
Na clubs, it's called member players that did come in. Untiana Tachina 11 wonders man. These guys fango to players.
Machamu say who decided say in this situation Bobo Liga. Let's make reference to FIFA medical chief statement and I just want to quote what he said.
We are interested.
I say everyone has to be very careful for the moment. I have heard in many countries that they are thinking about playing football again, with or without the public. In my long career, I have seen many situations where there has been a balance between economics and health. Mostly economics won. If there is one circumstance where medical argument should win against economical argument, it is now. It is not a matter of money. It is a matter of life and death. It is very simple. We a FIFA medical chief, Michel Houch, statement Omeki. Now again, in this situation, the best option is to play behind closed doors. The entire English Premier League and they feel comfortable asking their club to play behind closed doors. Chamu, Premier League started in 92-93. Total revenue Premier League generated now £205 million total revenue. Match day revenue now £89 million within that £205 million. Now 43% of total revenue. 92 back then, okay, say players and teams no more empty stadium. They were going to lose 43% of match revenue.
Of their revenue,
and they last year Premier League generated £677 million. Figure now I increase you from £89 to £677 million. But that only represent 13% of total revenue generated by the Premier League.
So that the problem here in Ghana is gate revenue represents 100%.
90%.
The argument about playing behind closed doors, and dealing with the general issue of medication. That is a topic we can't go there.
Yeah, the American say Premier League, if they are supposed to play behind closed doors.
Mami cutting Kevin, I mean, you just specifics so that you help us with clarity. in 92.
Yeah.
Now match the revenue you get proceeds. Yeah, and scale diable
89 million pounds.
Now 89 now constitute 43%
of revenue generated by the Premier League.
43.
And they last year Premier League generated match day revenue generated 677 million pounds.
And no represented 13%.
Only 13%.
Okay.
So what means is that a teams anymore behind closed doors.
They can sacrifice 13%.
They only losing 13% of match of total revenue.
Of their total revenue, okay.
Again, the entire Premier League teams met me behind empty stadium one. And affect them that match and they say last season TV writing.
Yeah. Man
City in now 150,986,000 pounds. Almost 151 million pounds from TV right. It if that's a more TV right come on 150 million pounds.
And then the sponsorships name.
And Liverpool in 152 million pounds. Chelsea in 146 million pounds. Tottenham in 145 million pounds. Arsenal 142 million pounds. In fact, last season team away near Huddersfield when 96 million pounds. TV. I've told you already.
Yeah.
Set 2016-2017 teams in the Premier League 20. Emu 11. If they are played behind empty stadium and I say behind closed doors. So we are talking about teams that the Premier League is well resourced so much that even if they play our empty stadium financially it will not affect the club that much. Now we are coming back to our own situation now. Chamu match day revenue represent more than 90% of total revenue generated by the Premier League. When you are asking them to play behind closed doors, then the clubs are better off. So better if it doesn't Kokobo ball because they Ayala no travel expenses. There are no match because more matches in the no winning bonuses. Club na Otifi na more match no travel expenses on winning bonus. Also Uncle Bo our empty stadium scanema owinia obetua winning bonus. Obese to kwai as a travel expenses abeka ni salary ho. Are we not compounding their problem by asking them to play behind closed doors?
Okay, why can't we talk to the Rwandans? You know more Rwanda. Why almost your more fast to September almost your bebo? It is possible. It is possible. So you see, this say the England for sticker, more border. Until we have to come down to Africa.
England, we want team Ghana channel revenue moving 100 grand.
That was the point I was about to make. Look, Christian Deokano. Take a team like Interlice, King Faisal, Bichim United, Klauser. I'm talking about Klauser. Obeti say omo banko labaredo say oh Yakobo born you get process here 10 cedis. For a club like King Faisal, Ojiri say ne sika or they running the club ne and he for no free
selling of players.
Any say a say league na ye bono ya sign deal with Star Times are made sika say into Alaji Uba e bitima ma be $100,000. Obaka just say $100,000 which is equivalent to who the Oka say TV rights in England normally air show clubs. It is the same with King Faisal. Exactly, but I'm saying say predominantly no clubs being say Interlice money King Faisal mono they don't get much day revenue say the over say Kotoko nyano and this unless Obo has unless Obo Kotoko. It is all buta Alaji who for Alaji will line say league now boss the whole season and he for pan when you see kafia when the boss season because oh say it me nya adum ni nya TV right bi na ye chesika na ma me bia glow sika bia me koje ye o efe ho no and am de ye it is not true entirely. Say Ghana every club bia no 90% of Nisika or the Boni League come from gate process. Alaji will tell you what you are saying is not true. Interlice Mobaka just has some now canning and Lagos City to tell you it is not true. And there's all from Richard a couple. Ever read you know so. No Busan said Richard. Since I Lagos City so got all out the concrete. Sikana wo dey run a club no bass no branding no mana ye hu no. Emudu do sign a few gate process on match day now the year. Obaka just say 5%. But say what they to who say sometimes my sika e me ye me gi say the quantum of some money no vis-a-vis the match day revenue no and she has
Akwesi say me to say the opposite organize Legon City is dependent on start time sika nana.
Say if you are doing
Akwesi
maybe
go to me to Shatawale.
Exactly maybe. You see for him any Legon cities Shatawale, Kwesi Arthur, they think say it is into their branding.
Yeah.
And young for some many there's no way they will bring those artists.
Absolutely.
But they want to build.
Absolutely.
Until they know that they are throwing money into it.
Absolutely.
And yes, is here.
Absolutely.
But they want to build. Even in the same analysis for your league. Now I can't more tell you, league na ye bono ako from anasa be saying ye more league. And kakan say bring back the Lavania starting league. We've gathered some momentum. And you are looking at today. But they will be looking at consistently league now. Some that from there attractive. If you are able to put measures and continue to play, once the product is visible, then we are able to attract and comfort to come and invest in the product. But the case of COVID-19 about okay, without planning, without thinking, without putting input, let's get the product visible still. So the corporate in the industry be also know, look, these guys are serious.
Why don't we use this?
Why don't we use the France and example? They also have clubs. They also have.
But you see, France it's a government decision. Some mobile assassination and can government in the case of mobile assassination. I'm telling you, the French league would have started.
So other than I am family we are ye debates this and your man shisha yemrano and fan better sponsors and the structural standards of our league club license and effective player salary cap, a lot of issues fan sorting now fire they synchronize around August September thereabout. Listen to what the Rwandans are doing in Rwanda and then push, because medically we are not there. Medically it looks impossible to play football in this country.
Easy Kobna and now me say club license and Premier League regulations all them nana you see from league now. They are there.
But there's a problem with the
problem is there. As we go on, we solve them. You don't sit down and say let's solve every problem because as an to anamo. You can't do that.
Say your situation, your problem kakrebi so. And let's not forget they say apart from sana ye FNN that FIFA scan so. No money da ban so sika so. And our ban sika yes sports on come. Now even convincing the clubs to come and play, even behind closed doors. My intent some are could to address some of these things. Yente the Deputy Minister of Sports, Wakasa Basa behind closed doors, and that's one of the things that FNE pushing for.
Yeah.
Sakiyamo Momo Bono, but yeah, the testing. The last time, no, Dr. Savojeka said they got a me and try because Mwa. And him FNE so dream said Dr. Prince Fambuka saying can cancel league, no.
Yeah.
Consultations that
is what some countries have adopted. And like I said before, it is important that this is managed in a holistic way. And that is why the President of the Republic is managing it the way it ought to be. So we cannot be in isolation as a sector. We have to, sort of be in the mix of what generally is being done to manage the case in Ghana. So we would have to get to a point where government decides that it is okay to have public gatherings, because you know that for a football match to take place or any sporting activity to take place, it's not just the players. There are players, there's a technical team, the stadium managers, there are all kinds of people who come together to make a football match. So yes, the option of playing in empty stadia is fine. And when we get to that point and we think that is the best option for us in terms of making our game safe, it will be one of the options that we will consider. However, as we speak, that decision has not been taken.
I know, well, the Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports.
football industry and car buying stimulus package. But the Ministry of Youth and Sports, I catch FFO, so get me your proposal, I'll push it our government. The fundamental question and go for say, hey, FFO say I'm cover behind closed doors. Clubs need to cheer for using various stadiums now. I'm match no one and I say FNB for Honka.
No, you see,
I know one of the
sports stadium assembly crowd. They need a national sports or sports authority and agency or G1CD crowd.
National sports authority so also be clubs.
Audited accounts now. It is a authority bia omokrano. Can was say omo stress ni pamra emro muska.
You see, that was the point I was going to make. Say,
a number of things.
Yes, and what if say that big question. Yeah, we come to get to know say yani aban kasa no aban say okotoko betima kobobo Baba Sports Stadium and the only cost aban say obeje for Zoom Lion workers or make clinic and for media men and go for kakra mo mbeba ho and that there's no cost in using Baba Sports Stadium to continue the league, fumigating and all others, you better kick off and FSC okay. So if that is the adene dia me stadium I am more license say be betima league all the costs just to prepare the grounds for us to go and play penna you bet you there FNB betimi afa so now Kotoko can go play is in the games now without thinking about paying a dime to use Baba Sports Stadium. So there you can have solutions.
You see,
when you interrogate them you can have them
even with
why you can have them because and you can say one of the say behind closed doors a lot of the facilities will not even be used.
Exactly.
Someone even me tea minister and it looks like the minister only concrete he's talking about in future because the issue of social gathering I'm not too sure say Spain it or maybe no but nipa 300 Germany or Mashe say stadium the nipa 300 so the problem now is say behind closed doors na Kotoko ne King Faisal nipa say ne be more mu kwan am Omawura stadium 2 teams 22 coaching and staff coaching staff medical security media ball boys and girls maybe stadium announcer sa nipa 300 na 200
so the difference is that dressing rooms dressing room creating more dressing rooms not 8 people cannot be, more than 8 people can use one dressing room your dressing room yes
I
see when so to me need to be for baby ma we move for baby now we move for baby
there's a way out in terms of how we can do that but sa nipa 300 no you bet me test you match day bia Kotoko King Faisal Interlice Mediema 11 Wonders Chelsea.
So you're talking about 300 times
the number of games we play. Yes, the number of games
you have 18 teams.
The number of games because say the social gathering argument we mudia ni enya more ball because we know say schools will reopen later on so we have to think within that cycle of 300, 350, 200 people for a single game. Now I say well, but
resuming football in Ghana.
My challenge is why don't we take our time? Because Friday I told you say Friday now me catch and say look. You best start league ni biom. League ya break it again. You best chance ye biom. Hard to work. You better the points. Whistle blower asem no ebesaba amafo protest be prayer ebuechire aye share league na say na who have you bet amafo budget boardroom points. So if there are gaps in our law, why can't we quickly organize an extraordinary congress via Zoom or whichever way, sort out the basic problems, documental problems of our league, lay chassis on a clean sheet so that House of Folk will not be that mediama points, yanti biana points because chairman ye twice our league where so ye be real league no na ye nya credible champion biom ye be real league no na points ni be why or them because the laws regarding our game in this country are porous. League ye chassis ye no sponsors no paying them because in Ghana for football let's do something and I was excited Ket took that bold decision. But if we've got a natural opportunity of a break to reassess ourselves, why can't we do that?
Well, that is a nice one. Christian.
There be data. oko government and him now present your case, it must be backed by data.
Of course.
The entire Premier League, you have no option than so allow so observe those protocols and play. They will tell you how much they stand to lose if they don't play. Premier League for almost all my league now. They were supposed to refund around £762 million back to broadcasters. They told Abain, Yama, this is how much the clubs are going to lose.
And the amount of money Albania in taxes.
Germany. Germany. TV rights, advertising companies, any Scareberry funding. I around $823 million.
In fact, in Germany, from Bundesliga 1 to Bundesliga 2, 34 teams. So, command to our league in this one. Out of the 34 teams, 13 got bankrupt.
I get that argument.
Yeah, no. It's over to argument that Charaban says, say, I'm a boy. Yeah, teams in the Begu. Now, teams, I'm a boy, no, the crazy, I'm a boy, and say, because
in Italy, Spain, or more making effort to play football, the number one reason for government or approving, yes, what do data about a national morale. A national morale. They see footballers. Omaino Yare Obia person. The German government can subsidize and help them out.
But Obi, how about national morale? Let's look at the two scenarios and the different atmospheres. In Europe, no, a mere buyer COVID-19 couldn't put 300,000 a day, 2,000 a day. No, there was not a fly on the streets of Germany. Obia said them, you had national lockdown. New York forgot them almost cover 100 days in lockdown. Almost 100 crowds, I say. So almost said them. So now, for a country like that, so if they bring back football, they feel it will boost morale. Remember, people who have a feeling that their life is even coming to an end, you know, it gives them something that, oh, we will get back. But here, we are living our lives.
No, how, Chama, the question is...
We are living our lives.
The question is... If you are living our lives, then why don't you...
Chama, we are living our lives. The only thing is that we are saying public garden in Japan. So the morale is already up. So what is there to do?
Chama, how important is football? How important is football to Ghana?
The importance of football might differ from between the jurisdictions.
Absolutely. So, for example, in Germany, Bayern and Dortmund, sika kakra boa teams no more. Yeah, no. FIFA money is sika. FNC odi kotuaka. No, government listens. Government. So, the decision at government taking a implication on our football association. Say stimulus package of 600 million Ghana cedis. Football in Ghana. And I said, Chairman, your relevance na ko.
Football in Ghana because what is football's contribution to even our economy?
And that's why I'm sad.
Yes, because who care about Amononi? Obi get 300,000 pounds. Ashaving, as na sign as 200,000 pounds a week. As you dubleti Russia or call GP no na some 200,000. I'm saying half your tax. I mean, the people are paying taxes for them. The state can even decide. Say, the last time I came about PSG, yes, state legal team decides to help tourism. Want to help this team because they know they make, they don't pay rent for the boys. They pay them in envelopes. Envelope meaning team Ghana has an envelope around 20. What about after 20? We was 1 month. What's all the next month? Ontario ma banti saban company bi egu na be ma bo banti so on ka ho look so ebia ababa dwe ho say ebia Jude factory and even say ebia GBO now by money scan ebia or money be because ebia or 1,000 workers 2,000 workers were taking off the burden from government. All the people are paying taxes almost taxes in general this animal oh they don't carry
banking crisis banking crisis me also said that was the first time some Ghanaians aware say be private person not in a bank no all running because all banks and financial institutions are regulated by the central bank in say oh kwa you bet me a fasika from the central bank as much as $100 million and say never saw bank him. Never ninja.
Bank
I'm just giving an example.
Let my company be organ hard. When you say account when you do maybe I good for radio. The owner of the company spoke to the president. Say me money go. I have 7,800 workers. Say I decided to lay off half. And I said no wait. Bruh, come to my office. Let's sit down. How can I help? Because it becomes a burden on government. In America, General Motors, Obama had to find a way to save the company.
Good.
Because the will become unemployed, and it's the responsibility of government to find them jobs.
And the unemployment rate in so-called become national security issue.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Now, Chamo, in governance, under no circumstances, president to go and sit down in front of the cabinet and say, "You have said this 600 million Ghana cedis for stimulus packages. How many are qualified to access 600 million?" The number one argument at cabinet will be companies that are regulated by government.
Of course,
it is a simple. Anyway, and your rocket science.
Companies that are regulated by government.
And at the end of the day, all those trade businesses now, Trade Unions Congress will go and say, I regulate these people. I give them license to operate. And before I give them the license, I also make sure I will meet up these standards. That is the reason why the Ghana Medical Council will go and say, for doctors and nurses and medical people, every year we renew our license, and that's and they are so we medical school in Po. That's all your doctor, that's all those licenses some of them are going to be. The Medical Council can say me more licenses be. They are regulated. And if they go to government and say, oh, these are the number of doctors, these are the number of nurses, these are the number of CCC here, we renew their licenses based on this criteria. They have standards. You must say, Ghana. Class no when they regulate you whether they are paying slate or not when they back government is choosing brand and say even the national sports authority
snakes ni winning professional your friends say
club license
in him.
What I'm saying is club license in a woman whether they go by 8 or they don't go by 8 the national sports authority don't have the power not to say
national sports authority
what you say if you don't have a regulator look the last time I was speaking to someone no say oh now someone okay I say kaya ye for crown ye mo and I say, do you know say headquarters kaya phone? They are under the gender ministry.
Absolutely.
As regulators.
Absolutely.
Only regulator. Obian Wabeka was a by level. And your football people, you know, we did a show on Joy News. I think they had Honorable Perukujeto and other people. Yeah. When I was speaking to Sami Enchi, I can say, look, when Omunya FA president, because the FA president was said to come, and at one ban on friend Enim Ado, executive customs, almost direct say the reason why the FA and as a football and stimulus packages want to say even your sports act doesn't give them out to any regulator in government institution and under normal circumstances it should fall under the NSA. Are clubs ready through the FA to submit themselves to a regulator? Once you don't do that, then you're buying
in the UK, the Minister of Sports, Culture and Parliament, Parliament, so money to me, said the Premier League should increase their funding for grassroots football.
Exactly.
And yes, sir, or the sanctions, but also. But Ghana, come and say, you are going to FIFA. You go FIFA report to answer here. FIFA no say damn now boy use the deal.
Chairman,
FIFA no
Chairman, can you imagine, sir, President of the FNA Executive Council Kohun Cabinet, or more proposal or more data BBR, and again they have the backing of their members. Abayintie BBR ekoso o manim national security report and BBR eko president. So the president is aware that FIFA has sent some cash. Clubs are here meeting on Zoom. Omuye no FNC legacy debt bi ho. The former finance chair or the chair for the finance committee, Palmer, was on the nationwide network of Insha FM. Like I said, in your manner legacy debt ni kwa potuano. Till date the FA has not responded. had footballers, the whole country, PFAG, Omakasa, Yafre, Omo, Omakasa, Ghana Coaches Association, Omakasa, Referees Association, Omakasa, in support of the FA. The president, the government would have reports.
Of course.
But the FA is lonely.
The FA is quiet. And
it's lonely. And yet, cats and kwan, I said, but
the last I remember, I allow me key this point. Say, FIFA send this car. Let's even assume without admitting that FIFA car was sending it's for operational whatever. Now, FIFA mouse car. From my investigation, FIFA mouse cannot choose over here. You can send to FIFA. Ultimate trauma FIFA say. Truthfully, also anyway, but this is our current situation.
Yeah.
FIFA can okay it for you to do it. Say FIFA sending $500,000. Also a forward program that's what you earlier. No problem. Now, so keep it says can. Now the trial can. Now track anyway. Government stimulus package. Sports is not included. Now be we not can find a go. 11 there's a go. Now Division 1 clubs in Negua. Where is the FA?
Exactly.
So it is only smart and sensible. You conventional wisdom. Send a letter to FIFA. FIFA. Maybe I'm going to relieve my baby. But currently in Ghana, our clubs are dying. Every club can say, "FIFA go tell you nobody can come and
come on, you know, Sankano.
Then you share something to the clubs.
The FA can push in terms of PR strategy. Captains of the various
the PR strategy they don't have.
No, as in Mekasi or match Chelsea kind of fire. By football any stimulus but Felix Akasa Ewaha Yaya Mohammed Akasa will be for John Moshi Akasa government will listen.
But some people say, what is Mauritania doing right? Oh no, Mauritania. Timothy teachers come players. Oh, na Ghana. Yabaya, Yagoka Kasia de Asasika. No, Asasika you are supposed to pay. But what I'm saying is that people are hungry. People are dying. And Obi sent me a message the last time I say last Saturday. I'm hoping to get them. Yes, Opi, you say your child has been admitted at the emergency section of Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, and you are thinking of his school fees for the next term or when school reopens. When he dies, whose fees will you pay? Even if school reopens now, you pay, and you pay his fees. Will he have the strength to go back to school? It's a simple case of misplaced priority.
Exactly.
This FA has started disappointingly too early. Sir, you have the money. They've given you money, $500,000. Can Pfizer have not paid their players? As one of the see club be Ghana. Only I'm just I got 20. So no players be only one of them. You know already Bravejo there. It's when you know we are friends. You are not set. Asset. What did you?
Only boys in your free. I'll bet you only not.
It's 20 media. Uber Conezo 1 month. Scanner.
Sir, team no tia salary through that process no.
Don't pay any tax, any GRA tax on Joshi.
Abra buy announce this stimulus package. Could you upon Kroma on Twitter? Eka say what the argument say among focus say we should look at people's contribution to the economy before we help them.
Yes.
Sectors.
Of course, that's how you do it.
Okay, that's when I realized that football. The English government will not dare to lose the English Premier League. You know why?
Of course.
Because it provides up to 100,000 jobs direct.
Yeah.
100,000. Jobs are the people employed to that line. Pay tax. It reflected our tax system. Because the Premier League now providing 100,000 jobs. Unkono now providing 100,000 tax.
And jobs via so.
And that jobs are provided jobs are tax and diploma. Now I'm near how much did Ghana football contribute to GDP? Premier League contribute to more than 1.3% of the whole UK GDP. Now me hear the Spanish league. The Spanish league will be
GDP. They say
1.37.
It's insignificant.
Yeah.
In a nation's GDP, 1.8, but
here the football can be 0.05.
But
we can sports now, not just football.
It was the recreation. It was
recreation, entertainment, less than 2%. Ghana economy no. I am more like a welfare group. Was a welfare group no. So how much the money be boa? It will be determined by how much you contribute to the welfare group. This is chef Mati welfare group. Chamo tia 500 Ghana cedis a month. Who tia 500 year to be 50-50. Says na comparison it here. 500 a month. Ye be 50-50.
Maybe 5 cedis here.
Chamo, sa Semba. Now welfare
of course.
How much they can help you no will not be the same how much they will help us.
Of course, that's true.
It's Ghana na more like a welfare group. You go to the tax system and look at how much each sector has contributed to the welfare group.
Christian, you know that is why people talk about the insensitivity nature or posture of IFE. Say the club people, no doubt, club people we understand, but when it comes to say your rigid nature is a FIFA say, say FIFA no only statue. FIFA is a FIFA no a association made up of members and run by human beings with feelings like anybody. The problem of England will not be the problem of Ghana. England for almost $500,000 for the moment. Every government check another association. But the problem we can write to the FA. You know to get the English FA. They say we need help. Our clubs are collapsing. Now we work on Jessica. We now fair clubs on your meeting. I want to be book at home.
Germany crow my share on about 2 weeks into post-COVID. No. The demonstration is quite possible. Oh
yes,
people are there. Some people think say can you say
look at the ball? Yes,
they know 60%. The national response 60% say I didn't know Germany.
And the reason is 74% of club expenditure goes into player salaries.
Yeah.
So now the biggest debate in German football today is salary cap. Say a team run any pace wa kabon yeah obia team in collapse. Even the Germans are trying to reform.
So you think that we should be extraordinary congress? Near your caps.
No.
You try a ceiling and now your players who are playing the Premier League who earn 200 Ghana cedis.
We have to start thinking around the clock how you be standards be. Look, no me say player Ephraim no catch him so Oniska. It hurts me. No, because no, pay any fine. Also, accountant affirm me, makoji wa envelopes, makoji wa tabletop. Someone who's salary for access banker. What me
assessing loan?
The same account, Sikano, salary. Bank now automatically, I won't call bank, obey year to wallet to say bam. Now salary now double. Why can't we help ourselves? So that discussion where so much more multifaceted say I don't agree with the deputy sports minister in terms of social gathering in relation to coming back but see a case here more dia yenya butrenya hye nyoma yi see a case here be boso dia na nipa 300 na 200 no Dr. Asafo Jainom ne Dr. Prince Pamboni Dr. Babanom ebetumi am medical clearance you board no dey betumi aye ho akadie nyina obi a ho beto no dia. I'll prefer behind closed doors. But behind closed doors no enye enough. The last time Dr. Kasimbi obubo wi omo kwan okonfie obafadom obafatrotro. The point is that about 90% of Premier League players in Ghana use public transport. What in point? And FA no here government stimulus no.
What in point? Use public transport. Obi rent your apartment, maybe got a compound house. Obi one the brothers, never be 6 the good day back. Look at the level of contact in this idea. No, I be waiting for the media about flat league, no, or they bought one match. They said in 14 days and son when between 2 and 14 days, no, and they will show symptoms. If you show symptoms, or they are more being because every liberty about liberty Lagos City Sakobo. Ono the man liberty in the infecting the team in so yeah they are not careful. We end up creating more people who have the virus.
Okay, so let's start with training. Yeah, sure, maybe
that's why I have a quick break now. You go break to play or not to play the Premier League. I never know here discussing. But you so Soccer Aid Ghana. Also, at the idea about the 18-team National Division 1 League. Also, the idea about the proposal, they feel that there should be a new format. 4 zones of the 16 regions now in Ghana. 4 zones. Now, now 1 qualify. In fact, you have a show almost a format, and then the sports economic side, our football clubs become more viable in this era of COVID-19. You know, the clubs, even the likes of Asante Kotoko, struggle to even pay their players. See the benevolence of the chairman and I'm you're running said this week it's likely Bensha my name a board for Asante Kotoko. Nina Hun Samoha Yede Eba. Get it.
Number 1 Akan radio station in Shira 104.5 FM edit the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pausima aduana Ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduana Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de Memeda de no ede asomoso don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetena se free anopa no nkono Ekosi ewia dumienu jumade ho chiame
nsamno de nyina na yabo no ayede eba e jumade me de bright can come bodu
kwabena open FA OB tries
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also Bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
on the premise in also just the boss question that is on Kobe. Yes,
amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman Bomodia said the bia o misses our program way na the global show.
Ago, good people of Ghana. Here are some safety measures on prevention of coronavirus. 1. Cover your mouth with tissue when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissue into a bin immediately you cough into it and wash your hands with soap under running water. Avoid shaking hands and use sanitizers as often as you can. Signs and symptoms.